Hi and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you our new recipes. Before we start, if you want the details how to make any recipe, check the description below. Let's start.
Recipe 1, Pesto Chicken and Rice Bake. This casserole only requires 5 ingredients and will be a nice change from traditional chicken and rice bakes. It has different flavors from the pesto and Alfredo sauce and is ready to serve in less than an hour. Recipe 2, Chicken, Rice, and Biscuit Casserole. Who doesn't love chicken and biscuits? You can make your biscuits from scratch, or simply use refrigerated biscuit dough for a quick prep. Some reviewers like to add veggies to make this tasty casserole even heartier. Try adding spinach, broccoli, or mushrooms. Recipe 3, Chicken Florentine Rice Casserole. This quick and easy recipe comes together in just 30 minutes, and uses pantry staple ingredients that you probably already have on hand. This is a really simple good recipe that can be altered to taste, which is something I really like. I didn't have enough spinach the first time, so I used half spinach and half broccoli. I also used more Parmesan cheese, says home cook Victoriaj. Recipe 4, Homey Chicken and Rice Casserole. This tasty and comforting dish is a cinch to throw together, and you'd never suspect that the creaminess comes from reduced fat ingredients. It lends itself to substitution, so if you're not a fan of certain tastes, you can easily switch to another variety of cream soup and/or use other veggies. I recommend using rotisserie chicken for added convenience, says recipe creator Fidzi. Recipe 5, Thighs on Rice. With just 6 ingredients, this casserole is ridiculously easy to make. Reviewers say it's a good base recipe to add to depending on what your family likes. Some reviewers like adding veggies, like mushrooms, celery, carrots, or zucchini, for a well-balanced meal.